Ooh. Yeah. Work it, boy.
Hi folks, I had someone contact me when they needed to split up some numbers like this. So number 777688-1-2, and that was the example given to me, but then I thought we'd take it a bit further and see if these numbers are different. We could do it in a slightly different way, and yet another different way with these ones here. But my first option here was to simply do find and replace the -1, -2 with nothing. So I've selected those. Find and replace, the keyboard shortcut is Control H, otherwise it's here, look, find and select, replace. I want to find -1, -2 and replace it with nothing. Make sure there's nothing in that cell. I'm just going to replace all. It's immediately done 13, and that's that done. So that's one way of doing it. I'll undo that, Control Z. Quickly show you again, Control H, -1, -2, replace with nothing, replace all. The next technique, and all of these are useful in their own different ways, this technique will break this down into different columns, and it will be delimited by the dash figure. So if I click on it, select it and go Data, Text to Columns, and in here it's delimited. It's not well, it actually is a fixed width for the first two, but we'll leave it as delimited and click Next, and it's Other, and that's a dash I've typed in there previously when I tested that this works as I expected. So I'll click Next. I'm just going to leave them all as general. We can change what sort of fields they are, but I'll leave it as general and click Finish, and you'll see that's it done. So that's them isolated. The last way to do it is click in the cell next to them and put in a formula. So I'll use the left formula. Excel's got various text formulas that allow you to extract data. So I shall do that here. I'll type in equals left, open a bracket. That's what I want to work with. I want 6 characters, the leftmost 6 characters. Close the bracket, click the tick, double click that to fill it down the column, and there we are. Hey presto, it's done. So 3 ways to do it. One was simply find and replace, another was text to columns, and another was with a formula. You could then, of course, if you needed that, to not refer to these, you could copy and paste special. So I'll just quickly do that. I'll copy it, and then I'll paste values. So that's no longer a formula. It doesn't rely on this information being there. And that's it. Job done. Enjoy that one.
Work it, boy. Yeah. Ooh.